Do you want to implement serious cost reduction strategies in your business? A great way to do this is to find a high-cost area of your business that is not actively managed and manage it. An area that you should consider managing is your office printing. Recent studies reveal that 1 to 3% of annual revenues are consumed by office printers. Companies that outsource the management of office printing can realize savings of up to 30%. Meaningful savings like this can help preserve the bottom line. In today's brief webinar, we will explore the true cost of office printing, feature a strategy to reduce this cost, and highlight the benefits of this strategy. When it comes to the cost of printing, the first thing most people think of are printer supplies. While printer cartridges can be expensive, they only represent the tip of the iceberg. Many additional costs lurk below the surface, silently eating away at your profits. If you're like many companies, you have multiple vendors for printers, printer supplies, parts, and service. Sometimes individual departments even order from different companies. This adds an unnecessary burden to your purchasing department. Getting printer supplies to the right location drains resources. It is not uncommon to have several departments involved in a requisition for printer supplies. Since most users need their printers to be running to conduct business, they often stockpile supplies to ensure that they don't run out. Check the average supply closet, and you'll often find thousands of dollars in unmanaged supplies. Unfortunately, these represent a great target for office theft. Printers can also be a distraction to your costly IT resources. Unlike most computer problems that can be resolved remotely, printer issues usually require a trip to the device. Often, IT people are not equipped to make mechanical repairs and end up calling in a third-party service company after they've already spent valuable time away from their primary tasks. Fortunately, there is a better way to shrink the iceberg by reducing or eliminating the costs hidden below the surface of the water. Many of our clients are happy to learn about a better way to control and reduce the hidden costs of printing. We call this program Managed Print Services. In basic terms, you can now outsource the management of your fleet or printing devices to us. A simple usage agreement provides everything you need to print for one low cost per page: supplies, inventory management, help desk support, and on-site service. Our remote monitoring software allows us to respond proactively to your needs. When the supply levels are low on a printer, we can ship supplies automatically. When a device needs technical support, we can proactively resolve the problem. A managed print services program can deliver many benefits. Financially, most companies are able to see significant cost reductions. We typically uncover cost reductions of up to 30%. When you implement a managed print services agreement, you can now easily measure the total cost of printing. The purchasing department will appreciate having fewer vendors to manage. Instead of separate vendors for supplies, parts, and service, we can take care of everything on one invoice. Since supplies are included in the cost per page, you'll no longer need to issue purchase requisitions for printer supplies. With a managed print services program, costly IT resources will no longer be distracted with printer issues. Instead, they can focus on implementing core company initiatives. End-user productivity is improved. Instead of broken printers hampering workflow, users are able to produce critical documents to maintain business productivity. Best of all, you can rest assured that this formerly unmanaged area of your business is now actively managed. So, how do you get started? Getting started is easy. The first step is to measure your current situation. We use non-invasive print assessment technology to quickly determine how many printing devices you have and how many pages run through these systems on a monthly basis. Then, we conduct a quick walkthrough of your facility to locate the printers. From this research, we can determine the actual cost of ownership of your fleet by either using our database of supply costs from common suppliers or by using your actual supply costs. Next, we collaborate with you to create a recommendation to manage your fleet of devices for one cost per page. With your approval, we can then become your single source for supplies, maintenance, and managing your entire fleet of devices. Business needs continually change. With the managed print program in place, we meet with you on a quarterly or biannual basis to review your print usage and look for ways to further drive down costs. A managed print services strategy is a great way to control and reduce a significant cost in your business. Contact us now to arrange a complimentary consultation.